At the initial stage of the semester, we were introduced a Java programming language, and I hadn't studied these language in my earlier school days. So I am a bit tensed about it because all other my teammates are bit ahead from us, bit ahead from me. So basically, we got project ideas related to various government social causes and various government schemes. So I with all my teammates gathered and did a meeting, and we decided to make a app which helps the digital India. So we decided to make a Disha app, which is Digital India Swachhata Abhiyan, in which the people can actively participate through this project and helps to make the environment around us clean. So when we decided to make this project, I started my course on Udacity, that how to make an Android app. And moreover, I also saw the various links of the YouTube to get to know that how to use the Android Studio. And moreover, I with my all my teammates helped me with the Java programming language. Moreover, I am also go through the syllabus which is currently going in my college, that how to use the Java in various different situations. So I also did that. Moreover, it was a very great experience for me to work in this project because we came to learn about how to make the Android app and how to different kinds of do text view, image view, layouts and all, etc, etc. It was a very great experience for me.
Working with this project gave me a brief exposure to Android development. As I had previous knowledge of Java and XML, so it was quite interesting to work with the back end of the project, that is the coding part. I have designed and implemented the app with minute details, in which the material design course of Udacity helped a lot. Though initially there were problems in connecting maps with the main and login activities, but at last we succeeded. We have added some extra features in the navigation bar like rating, customer details and gallery. And also we have added facility by which we can send data or SMS by email. We all together had a fantastic job, and now with this app you can recycle your waste digitally.
So I am working on a project named Disha with my teammates. Our project mainly focuses on how to increase the cleanliness and hygiene around us in our surroundings. And it was a great experience working on this project. I learned many new things. I learned how to work in a team. I also learned many new languages like Java and learned how to make an application using Android Studio. Well, it was a great experience, and I hope that it helps us in the future. Thank you.
The day we got a mail regarding a future project, I got to work. I decided to take a topic from the mail that it consists of. Instead of taking only one topic from the mail, I decided to take two topics, that is Digital India and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. I, Rishi, Abhinandan and Shivam decided to work as a team. We decided to make not only to make our India digital and such, but also to make our citizen employed. So we decide to make an app which will consist of an online GPS tracking system through which an individual can send a current location to the nearest snacker, which will available online. Our app also consists of one unique thing, that if a person sees a garbage or something near his area or somewhere else, he can send his current location, and by doing this he will not keep the area clean, but also he will get some rewards in his wallet. So in order to do this all, I have to do a lot of work. First of all, I decided to do a course on Udacity made by Google. I have done Android app development intermediate and beginner course. In order to implement our app with Google Maps, I have done a Google Map recognition course. That was much challenging for me. I have also done a little bit of material design course to help our teammates. So at last, I would like to conclude by saying that I learned Java, Android app development and other stuff. But I have also learned how to work as a team. Thank you.